Hi, Miracle Girls. How are you?
Excellent.
Excellent. Great, great. That's wonderful. So last we discovered about E-codes and N-codes, and we also understood that how E-codes and N-codes affect our life. So this week, as I mentioned last week, that we are going to convert all our N-codes into E-codes. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to broadcast a tool to you the way we did it for the baseline. So I'm going to broadcast the tool wherein you will have a lot of encodes, and you'll select that, and then after that, out of those, the maximum which you selected, there would be, you need to select 24. After 24 you need to select 6, and then the system will convert it into the e-codes. Yeah. So just broadcast the tools on your email ID. I request you to just do it, the activity, and then we'll talk about it. So once you're done, please let me know.
Excellent.
That's great. Great. Yeah. Wonderful. So now what we're going to do is one N-code Sharvat will talk about, and then E-code also, and then one Michelle. So that's what we're going to cover, our 6 E-codes. Okay. Yeah. So Sharvat, which one is your first N-code?
Fear of looking foolish or humiliation.
Okay. And what is the E-code you got from the system?
Everybody has their opinion. I don't care.
That's wonderful. So do you think, can you accept this E-code?
Yes.
Yeah, once you'll start saying it, automatically you'll start accepting it as well. Okay. So let's move to Michelle. Michelle, your encode.
Yeah, so in my encode, first one is a lack of faith in my own good or my own goals.
Okay.
And the system gave me the E-code for that is I'm the creator of my own destiny.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah, you're the creator of your own destiny. That's amazing. So now, Sharvat, which one, what is the second encode you have?
The second was I don't like, I'm not good at with technology.
Oh. Okay. And then what is the E-code you have?
I can learn and I will implement.
Amazing. You can learn and you can implement. Very good. And what about you, Michelle? Second encode and E-code?
The second encode is if I spend money on myself, that means I have less money for my kids.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
and
so
E-code?
E-code for that would be I have enough to spend on both me and my kids.
Very good. Amazing.
That's
system
generated.
Yeah, system generated, but what you believe in, that's what you get. So slowly and gradually your brain will start accepting once you'll start saying it. Yeah. And I'll let you know how. Sharvat, now your turn.
I have no idea how to start my business.
Okay. And what is the powerful E-code?
I'm a business mastermind.
Yay! Yes, amazing. Business mastermind. So we are talking to a business mastermind, yeah?
Yes.
Great. Michelle?
An entrepreneur.
Michelle?
Yeah, so my E-code is I give away too much of myself in business and relationships. Sorry, that's the N code. And the E-code for that is I have a great work-life balance.
Balance. Yeah. That was
balance is
oh, it's mine as well. That's great. Amazing. So once you're able to balance everything, it goes well. That's great. Sharvat, what is the next N code and E-code?
I grew up poor, so financial abundance isn't in the cards.
Okay. What is the E-code?
E-code, I have will be full of abundance.
Amazing. You live in a beautiful country, earning well. Yay. That's amazing. Yeah. And
Yes.
now next code, Michelle.
Yeah. The fourth one is I don't have the ability to protect myself emotionally. And the e-code that I got for that was I'm a powerhouse of emotions.
Power, a lot of power Michelle has. Yeah, emotional power. That's great.
Yes.
Amazing. I congratulate.
Emotional power.
And are we left with one more, Sharvat? Or two more? One more?
Two
Two
more.
Okay, yeah, please go on.
I hate marketing.
Now you have to
Me
say
too,
I
me too,
love
me too, me
marketing.
too.
Yeah.
Yes, and e-code is I'm marketing is serving.
Great. It's fun. Okay. Yes, Michelle.
Yeah. So the fifth encode is feels like nothing is coming together.
Mhm.
And e-code that I got for that was everything happens for the best.
Yes, I've heard many people saying this, and they really believe in this, that everything happens for the good. Yeah. So the more you
This
say,
happens for the best.
yeah, let's go for the last one, Sharvat.
Woo.
So my last one is paying too much attention to material or external world for security and independence.
Okay. Okay. And
And
e-code is?
the e-code, the system is focus on. I'm focusing on fun and passion and balancing in my life. In life.
Balancing my life. Yay! Amazing, amazing, wonderful. Michelle, what about you? The last one.
Yeah. So yeah, the last one is I have to keep my distance in relationships because others will trample my emotions,
Yeah.
trample me emotionally, probably.
Mhm, mhm.
So the e-code is every relationship is an opportunity to grow.
Great.
I somehow don't resonate with that, but okay,
Okay.
that's system
Now,
generated.
yeah. Now that's what I was about to talk. So one is that you have come up with your negative code. Second, the system has helped you, made you learn that how you can convert it to e-code. Now you need to convert it to your own powerful coding. So let's take an example from Sharvat. Sharvat, what was your first encode? Or let's straight away talk about
I
the
will
e-code. Yeah.
Yes, my e-code is I'm confident, creative, growth-minded, successful coach.
Great. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to put it in your own words, which your brain
No,
can.
this is my own words.
Oh, this is your
This is
own
my
word.
own
Okay,
words.
okay. Then it's great. I was saying that, if whatever the system generated, if you're reading, you need to convert it into.
No, I just, yes, I converted
So
it.
now, do you think that the brain is accepting this, what you're saying? I'm confident, and,
Yes,
is it accepting?
Yes. I feel it more. Yes, yes.
You feel it. So do you resonate with this power code, e-code?
Yes, because I put my good qualities in it. So I no longer focusing on humiliation and fearing. Fearing.
That's great.
To be
That's the
humiliated.
formula. That's the formula. So wherever you feel negative, that's how you need to convert it into e-coding, and that's the formula, because the system has helped you this time. But whenever in your life you have any encode, now you will be able to recognize encodes. And once you're able to recognize, you've learned the technique to convert it into your own e-codes. So what I want both of you to do is convert all the negative codes, all the e-codes which you got it from system, and then convert it into your own e-codes. So it belongs to you. Now,
Okay.
I want Michelle also to talk about one negative code, e-code, and then the belongs to you code. Yeah.
So the negative code or the encode that I have, the first one I'll go with, it says lack of faith in myself. And the system gave me the e-code saying that I'm the creator of my own destiny. So I have written that I trust myself and my inner voice. I'm confident and I know I can do whatever I want to.
So I see
I
a
can achieve my
little,
goals.
I see a very little beautiful smile on your face when you say it. I want you to say it with more energy so that it really belongs to you. One time, one more time, I would
Yeah,
say.
it is. Right. So it says, I trust myself. I trust my inner voice. I'm confident that I can achieve my goals.
Amazing. Let's clap for Sharbat and Michelle. Yay. Amazing. Amazing. So that was really beautiful. That's, we have learned that, you know, how we can convert N codes into E codes, and then those E codes should belong to us and it can help us in life to perform better. Yeah. It will help us to see us things in a better way, and it will help us not to stop. We will become unstoppable. Yeah. So it was great talking to you today, and then it was really wonderful me talking. I really enjoyed. Hope you also enjoyed the session. Yeah. Talking about your encodes and ecodes.
Thank you, dear.
And now coming week we are going to talk about different things, and I'm really excited to see you next week. See you soon, and then let's talk about next week once we meet. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.